What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Tell Me You Love Me by Juice WRLD and Trippie Red. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I made one for you and put it in the video description. So if you need that, jump into the video description. Once you get done, the guitar tab is there for you. You're gonna start out plucking 3rd fret low E, 5th fret A, 4th fret on your D, and I'm using index, ring, index. So 3, 5, 4, and then pluck again and slide down to 9 on the D. Then go 7 on D, 5 on D, 4 on D. Then you're going 7 on low E, and I use my pinky finger. 5 on A, back to 4 on D. So then you'll be at 3, 2, 4 on A, 2 on D, pick and slide that down to 7, then to 5, 4, 5, 5, or 5, 4, 2. So and yeah, it's twice on 4th fret D string. So so 4, 4, 5, 4, 2. So altogether the riff looks like this is slowly. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist, and the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.